Hey guys, how's it going? Well, it's nice and windy outside, 39 kilometers an hour, gusting to 44. And I thought, well, let's try this new quad out with its wonderful 6-axis gyro and see if it can tolerate this wind. This is going to be interesting. So I thought I'd show you beginning footage just in case she doesn't survive. So this is our Wltoys V949 upgraded V212 6-axis gyro quad. Stay tuned. I'm going to actually run the hat cam for this one. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but I've got the cyclic set at 40%, and this machine can go 20, 40, 60, 80, and then 100. And like I said, we got some pretty high winds out here, so let's see how this thing actually does. So I'm over at my neighbor's place next door to me, just because I get a little bit more room out here. The wind is giving it a good little push. So I'm going to try and see how well I can get this thing to just hover. And the wind's pushing her. She's doing good though. Well, wind's starting to pick up now. Oh, come on back. Well, considering where I live right now and where I'm flying, I don't want to put it up too high in the air, just because I don't want it landing on somebody's house. But I would definitely say that this thing can handle these winds pretty decently. You know, as long as you're a good pilot, you can do it. And you don't panic. That's the big thing. Ooh, landed on the side. Not too shabby, guys, not too shabby. So, thanks for watching, and we'll definitely catch you on the next video.